Hi everybody, thank you for tuning in and watching Old House to New House. So we're going to go through a property walk around, snippets of before and after, and what's coming up next week. So stay tuned to the end of the video and find out what we have in store. Please consider subscribing to get weekly updated video content. So as you can see, this property here it needs a lot of work. So you can see there's loads of things to be done. All the windows need doing. Just the layout just didn't work really for this property. You look here around the side. Here's the alleyway here up to the side of the property. All the fences are broken. There's an old oil drum as well, so there wasn't gas central heating, so that needed to be considered. And then a big garden plot. On here, the estate agent didn't even know the actual length of the garden because they couldn't get to the back. So if you see here, there's trees, shrubs, a lot overgrown. The sort of gardens merge really into next door's garden. So, you know, we had to look into things like boundaries and all of that, all of our research we had to do to start with. So you can see here, as you're looking around, it's hard to see the back of the garden. So many different trees and weeds and bits we needed to go through basically to try and see what sort of property this could be, what the potential was. So that tree there, that had a preservation order on it as well, we needed to consider. So obviously that means a TPO, it means you can't just cut it down. There's one there as well. And then there's the fence into next doors, which is a property further afield. But if you have a look here, you can see that's the original property. It's a 5 double bedroom house with a garage on the side. It's fully detached, but just needs a lot of work. Now you can see the side there. I mean, look at all of the broken bricks, and you know, it was a real project. The biggest projects that I've ever taken on. And yeah, you can see here in this image, that is the garden. You couldn't even see the back fence. And here you can see where we made a good start. There's a transformation there, give you a little taster of what it's been made into. And we cleared the front, and then you can see the property in more detail. And this again is what we decided to make it look like. And here's a few little features: the entrance hall with a chandelier, one of the downstairs bathrooms, we've done it high end. And also the kitchen, that image there shows you a kitchen's not finished, but the process of it. So I hope that's given you a little taster of Old House to New House, our project and our journey all the way through. And the next video is actually go in the property, show you around, show what state it is in, and what our plans were and what we have actually physically changed. Things to look out for if you're looking for a renovation project to do yourself. I hope you've enjoyed watching. If you have, send us a like. Please consider subscribing for the next videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.